Did you hear that? That was the water drop sound. You could do it like this or like this. I'm just pretending to do it when I did that. So, this is how you do it. Do what? Darkrai, you scared me. Sorry. It's okay. So this is how you do it. First, you obviously know one of them. This. And then you just put your mouth like this. It's starting to sound like it already. Ready? But you have to mouth the word like on a talk box with. Like this. And it's much harder. And this is the same steps, but it's much harder to do it. You do this. I don't know if you heard that or not, but that's how you make the water drop sound.